Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make or generate images in Leonardo AI. So this is a website called Leonardo.ai. You have to go to this website and create an account, sign in with your account. You can also sign in with your Google account. Now, once your account has been created and signed in, you will see this kind of dashboard. So from here you have a bunch of options. You have to click on the image on the left side. So you will see this kind of interface. They have lots of models and presets. I will go into detail after some time, so just wait. So first of all, we have so many presets. You can select any preset. For instance, I will select Leonardo Lightning. If I select that, so do not change anything just yet. You can test it out. I'm just showing you how it works in a basic format. So once you have selected the model, then what you have to do is simply type in any prompt you like. For instance, I will type in Elon Musk wearing Superman suit and saving a cat. So this is my prompt, and what I will do, I will simply click on generate. As you can see, it has created me Elon Musk images with Superman suit with a cat. So now, what if I change the preset? For instance, I will change it to anime. I will generate the same prompt once again. So it has generated me the image. As you can see, it doesn't look like Elon Musk, because you may have noticed that I have made a huge mistake. I haven't typed Musk, so I will generate it again. As you can see, it has created me an anime version of same prompt, and it does look like Elon Musk, if I say honestly. So this is what the preset does. You can select any preset of your choice, and that's basically how you can change from anime to graphic to concept art, stock photography, and cinematic keynote. There are a bunch of presets. You can test them out and go with the one that you like the most. You have different options like image size. Like if you have a wide screen, you can generate 16:9. You can square. We have just generated the square images, so it's 1:1. If you want to generate like your phone, the portrait mode, then 2:3 is that. There we have also got resolutions, but it will take more tokens to generate images. It can also generate videos, and that's basically how you can generate images in Leonardo.ai. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.